All right, hey guys, so I just wanted to come on here and just show you guys a few different styles that you can do with these twists, with this length. If you're interested in how I got this style, because this is by far one of my most favorite styles I've ever done on my channel, then I will put that link either right here in the cards, but I will for sure have it down below in the description box for you. So yeah, I'm not gonna blab that much longer. Oh no, I'm not gonna blab at all. Let's just get right into the video.